In today's video, you will learn 4 homemade recipes to help your brows grow. Did you know that you can accelerate your eyebrows' growth? Most women dream of having full, perfectly shaped brows. But the truth is that some of them were never able to have full brows because their hair takes too long to grow. Is this your case? Thinking about it, we decided to bring you 4 natural recipes with easy-to-find ingredients to help you on this mission. Castor oil. We have already talked about the benefits and how to use castor oil to fill your eyebrows. Castor oil has fatty acids, proteins, vitamin E, and antioxidants that strengthen the hair follicles and boost hair growth. Apply some drops of the oil on a cotton pad and apply it on your eyebrows. Let it act for 30 minutes, then remove with warm water. Repeat the procedure every day for a few weeks. Onion juice. We have shown you this juice as a natural alternative for hair growth. Have you tried it? Onions contain selenium, vitamin C and B, sulfur, and other minerals that aid hair growth and help thicken your eyebrows. The sulfur found in onion juice helps strengthen the hair follicles and increases collagen production, which makes your brows thicker. To make your eyebrows grow, prepare some onion juice in a blender. Using a cotton pad, apply the juice over your brows and let it act for an hour. Then clean your brows with some lemon juice diluted in water. It eliminates the onion smell. Do it 3 times a week. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Egg yolk. Eggs are one of the best proteins to make your hair thicker and stronger. It gives you all the protein needed to nourish your brows and hair. Get an egg yolk and beat it until it becomes a paste. Apply the mixture over your brows and let it act for 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Repeat the procedure twice a week. Aloe vera. We have extensively talked about aloe vera and its benefits, haven't we? If you still don't know this plant, click on the suggested video to learn more about it. The alanine found in aloe vera helps treat a lot of skin issues and also boosts hair growth. Extract the gel from a fresh aloe vera leaf and rub it over your brows. Massage until your skin completely absorbs the gel. Rinse with cold water. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week every day until you get the desired results. If you dream of fuller and shaped eyebrows, try any of these recipes and share your opinions with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.